In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the iMessage waiting for activation issue, all in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and we're going to cover a series of steps to ensure your iMessage gets activated without a hitch. First things first, let's check your internet connection. It's crucial to make sure that your device is currently connected to either a stable Wi-Fi network or has a good mobile data signal. iMessage relies on a solid internet connection to activate properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause activation to stall, so double check your settings to ensure you're securely tethered to the internet. Once you've established that your internet is working correctly, the next step is to toggle iMessage off and back on again. Head over to your device's settings, navigate to apps and then to messages. Here you'll find the toggle for iMessage, turn iMessage off, wait for about 10 seconds, and then switch it back on. This simple flip can often reset any minor glitch causing the activation issue. Now let's make sure your date and time settings are accurate. Open your settings again, this time proceed to General and then Date and Time. In this menu, enable the option to set automatically. Ensuring your device's time is synchronized with the network is crucial because any discrepancies can prevent iMessage from activating. At this point, if you're still encountering issues, it may be time to verify if your device is running the latest version of iOS. Keeping your system updated can resolve underlying bugs or glitches. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update. If there's an update available, make sure to download and install it. A newer iOS version often includes fixes for common problems like this one. If, after all these steps, iMessage still won't activate, we have one last trick to try: resetting your network settings. Again, go back to your settings, navigate to General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset. From the available options, choose Reset Network Settings. Be mindful that this will erase your current Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to re-enter them afterward. However, this reset can clear any hidden network-related issues that might be preventing iMessage from activating properly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tackling the iMessage waiting for activation challenge. With these steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying seamless messaging. Remember, keep your connection solid, your settings updated, and your device running the latest software, and you should have no issues with iMessage activation moving forward. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.